It's the 1999 Polaris Magnum 500. If you want to change your air filter, what you're going to do is there's a latch back here to undo your seat. Just pull that, pull it right up, and then your air box has got little clips right here, here, here. This one's a little bit tougher to get off. These two right here, they don't have. I have this little tab on them. So you pull these off, and then your air filter is just underneath here, right there. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna undo right here. Once you undo that, this piece will just pull straight back off. You take and you put your new one, and you push it back on. Screw it back up using this metal collar, and then you will take your air box cover and put it back on like that, and then you just latch it back on. It's that simple. Like, all it is a flathead screwdriver. Your collar, if it's been replaced, may have a different head on it, and so if that's the case, just get a different screwdriver, and that's how you replace it. If you have any questions, let me know.